Here we go with our learning target. I can compare and order fractions with different numerators and different denominators. So let's take a look at this. So here, you're not going to do this page. I'm going to go through it with you. Here's a fraction showing 9/10. Here's one showing 4/7. Here's one showing 2/5. Number 4 is showing 7/8, and 5 is showing 1/10. And 6 is showing 1/8. So notice that they have different numerators, the top number, and different denominators. So think about what you notice with the numerator and the denominator. For instance, look at the tenths. What do you notice when you have a 1 here versus a 9 here? Give me just a minute here as I'm finding the right slide. We're going to look at an open response problem. I'm going to read this to you so you can start thinking about how you might solve this, and then you'll get to do this in group. So actually, let's see if this works.
Solve the problem and revise. Veggie pizzas. In a 4th grade class, small groups of students went on different field trips. The cafeteria prepared 17 veggie pizzas for the students. Since each group had a different number of students, they were given different numbers of pizzas, as shown in the diagram below. All the pizzas were the same size.
So, there's the problem, and I want you to think about these questions for it. So again, here's the open response problem. And we're going to go look at what some of the questions are. So number 1 is, in which group did each student have the greatest amount of veggie pizza? 2, use diagrams and words to show your reasoning. And that is what we will be working on. But think about how might you solve this problem. I'm going to go back to this screen one more time so you can see it. That way when you come to group, you can think about trying your plan right away. So here is the problem. Think about how you would solve that today. Group. Bring your math. I'm sorry, you won't need your math journal. Bring a pencil to group.